I'm going to take an image that I've been working on drawing in Adobe Fresco on the iPad, and there's part of that image that I want to isolate and turn into a sticker. And so I want to show you how to do that, and then also add a cut contour to that image. So this shows you how you can take a raster image and open it in Illustrator and create a cut contour on it. So let's get going on it. So first thing that I have here is this bear project. He's been chomping on some honey, and I really want to just take that bear and turn it into a sticker. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm just going to work with this real quick and fast forward through it. You don't need to see all of it, but I'm just going to isolate the bear. I'm going to open up my picture that I just created, and it's going to be a raster image. It's a JPEG, but I am opening this in Illustrator. Oh, there the bear is. So cute. And I want to make a sticker of this bear. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my move tool, and I'm going to press and hold Option while clicking and dragging. Because what this does is it allows me to make a duplicate of that image. Okay? And I need to do that in order to create the contour line that's going to go on the outside of this figure. So I am going to trace this image. If you go to Properties on the side, you can scroll down, and there should be a image trace option. Also, Photoshop or Illustrator has added kind of an option panel here as well, so you could click on image trace there or image trace here and choose. I'm going to choose black and white logo and click OK. I know it's going to take a while, and that is now a black and white image. However, I want it to be all black if possible, so I'm going to use this image trace panel and click on it. And I'm going to click on the Advanced tab and open that up as well. I'm going to bring the threshold up. Threshold is that space between black and white. So right on the cusp of where an image is going to be black or an image is going to be white. Right? So if I drag it all the way up, it's going to be totally black. And then if I drag it the other way, it would be totally white. Right? We want to find the happy medium somewhere in there. So I'm going to just go ahead and put it right about there. And that's good enough. The other thing that I need to do also is to ignore color. And what this does is it allows me now to just have this black silhouette of my image. Right? So if I put it right on top of it, oh, look at that, it lines up. I mean, if I look at it really closely, I can see some other areas that might need to be addressed, and I'll have to take care of that. There's like some islands that didn't get copied and that sort of thing. So the next step, I need to turn this into a vector object, because right now it's not vector. If I put it in outline mode, you can see that it's an object. Both of these are objects, but they're still not vector objects. So what I'm going to do is select that silhouette, and then up at the top you're going to see the tracing result. There should be a bar up here, and if there's not up there, you're going to need to go up to Object and choose Image Trace and Expand. Okay, so there's two ways to do that. It should be panel up at the top. If there's not, go up to Object and Image Trace, Expand. So when you do that, now if I put it in outline mode, you can see that the bear outline is there, as well as the outline of the actual JPEG that I created earlier. Okay, so that's great, but it still just lines up perfectly. We need to put the contour on it. And so in order to do that, I'll follow the directions in taking a vector object and making it into a contour item. Hopefully that helps.